फूडीज डे आउट के इस वीडियो में हम जा रहे हैं एक ऑथेंटिक होम स्टाइल केरला किचन में जिसका नाम है नायर ऑन फायर एंड दिस इज वेयर द आइडिया ऑफ नायर ऑन फ्राई जिसको आपने पिछले एपिसोड में देखा था took birth. And this place promises some delicious Malabari khana cooked by Vinod Nair's wife, Chef Sarah Jacob Nair. And better still, you can get it delivered to your doorstep. Come with me. This is Nair on Fire's charming chef Sarah. While chit-chatting with her, I got some really interesting insights about Kerala cuisine. With Syrian Christian cooking influence from her side and Nair-style influence from Chef Vinod's side, the food at Nair on Fire is a delicious melting pot of cultures and culinary techniques. Their kitchen has flourished in the last couple of years under the watchful eyes of Chef Sarah and its co-founder and brand custodian Thoran Sankvi, and has gone on to become a one-stop shop for delicious Kerala home-style food.
नायर ऑन फायर हमने शुरू किया लॉकडाउन के पहले अराउंड फेब 2020 फुल फ्लेजेड, जहाँ पे हम 3 पार्टनर हैं, विनोद, माई सेल्फ एंड देयर इज सैरा. सो हम तीनों ने सोचा कि लेट्स जस्ट क्विट आवर जॉब्स एंड स्टार्ट दिस फूड बिजनेस. उसके पहले एक्चुअली मैं विनोद के कंपनी में काम करती थी, ब्रांडिंग, मार्केटिंग, PR.
We sort of got tired of doing PR and marketing and all that. तो एक दिन खाने का चस्का लगा और घर से हमने शुरू किया था ये. I went to my mother, my grandmother, my aunts, worked in their kitchens, learned cooking from there, understood क्या होता है एक अंडा जो खाली मतलब कि वो ऑमलेट भी ठीक से नहीं बनाना आता था, वहाँ जाके सीखा. केरला has got 15-20 influences of cultures. So सारे केरला का अलग अलग तरह का जो फूड है हम क्या नायर ऑन फायर में देते हैं.
It's good, authentic food. It's very home style. We get all the ingredients from Kerala.
When we started Nair on Fire, it was all the Keralites who were ordering, right? All the Mallus. So हमने भी ये सोचा था कि भाई मल्लू खाना खाएंगे तो मल्लू ही आएंगे. Today, if you take a look, Nair on Fire's clientele almost around 60% is non-Mallu. The recipes which we are choosing are actually across culture. So Alleppey fish curry, that's a way in which the Alleppey people or the people of Alleppey make it. So we source all the authentic stuff from there. Except the fish we can't, so we get the fish from here. That's how we maintain the authenticity.
So right now we are catering to South Bombay from our outlet in Mahim and the one in Bandra. So we're looking at maybe somewhere in Juhu, Versova side. अगर आपको authentic, home style, fresh and सबसे best Kerala food चाहिए तो आपको हमारे यहाँ से ही order करना है.
मैं हूँ नायर ऑन फायर के किचन में where the idea of नायर ऑन फ्रायर took birth. ये किचन बहुत ही पॉपुलर है अपने ऑथेंटिक होम कुक्ड केरला cuisine के लिए and I have the heart and soul behind this kitchen. Sarah Nair with me. Sarah, thank you for having me.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Thank
really,
you.
Yeah.
You've laid out such a beautiful feast for me.
Not at all.
इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
That's an Alleppey fish curry. Very simple, very little oil, but I think the coconut itself gives so much of oil. You don't need so much of oil as such. So this is that typical matta rice that we have.
Matta rice.
Yeah, yeah. Palakkad matta.
खासियत होती है?
Okay, this is boiled rice, right? So therefore, the paddy is boiled. Then we take the rice from that.
Right.
Rather than straight away from the paddy, if you take the rice without boiling it,
Okay.
You will not get these little bran on it.
Got it.
So that's the advantage.
It's almost like a reddish brownish streak on them.
Yeah.
ये कौन सा fish use
This is
किया
pomfret. I've used pomfret, yeah. And you should eat this with papad.
Of course. Fabulous. It's so flavorful.
Yeah.
There's a bit of sweet, tang, spice.
Yeah.
Like it's everything
smokiness
going on.
of that.
Smokiness. What was that?
That is the imli that we use. Is we call it kodambuli.
It's just lending a beautiful flavor to it, and I think that is the distinct distinct taste that separates it and differentiates it from
the rest
like a
of
Goan curry.
That's right. That's right.
So Sarah, इसके बाद क्या खाएंगे आप?
Okay, so what I'll do is I'll give you some avial.
Okay.
Yeah.
So avial sabzi है, which is a mix of a lot of vegetables.
Yeah, it's a lot of vegetables, and there is no rule to those vegetables.
Okay, but tell me, when I think about Kerala cuisine, immediately, I think of fish, I think of, meats. Talk to me about the variety of vegetarian dishes that you have.
Okay. So we have different preparations. One is a thoran. Thoran is the most simplest vegetarian preparation. The vegetable is steamed,
Right.
and then you have a coconut masala which we
Okay.
put on top of that, and that's it.
So ye dry vegetable
That's a
dish.
dry vegetable
Okay.
dish. Then there is something called miripurti, which is without coconut.
So shall we try
Yeah,
some?
we should try that.
It's beautiful.
You should ideally eat this with sambar and papad.
Yeah. What should we go for next?
Would you like to eat the prawns?
I'd love to.
Yeah, so have some prawns.
So, tell me a little about this preparation.
So this, we call it Nasrani Prawn Fry. Nasrani is Syrian, I mean, like a
Yeah.
Christian from Nazareth.
Correct.
Yeah, it's just garlic and red chili. That's it. There's nothing
Simple
else.
but so flavorful, and the flavor of the prawns is front and center. That paratha is really screaming out to me.
Yeah, I know. It's been
looks-
screaming for some time, right?
This looks so good. What is this?
This is called pudi parota.
Okay.
We first make the parota, then there is the meat curry, and then there's one more layer of parota.
Okay.
Then one more layer of meat curry. Then what we do is we wrap the banana leaf into a pudi. Pudi means it's a packet. There's
A packet,
It's a
right.
packet, right? You roll it up like that, and then you put it on the tawa again and just dry steam it. So it's like a roast. You just roast it in that and let for 5-6 minutes on both sides, and then that's it.
ये जो पराठा है बहुत ही flaky और soft है. Sir, this is fantastic.
Yeah.
And it soaked up all that meat curry.
Yeah, so that is our pudi parota.
Sara, आप और मुझे कुछ खिलाने वाली हो because I'm greedy for more.
You're going to get some nice, supremely tasty dessert. Okay?
Yum, I have a massive sweet tooth, so
Everyone will be telling you, Priyanka. Everyone will tell you, will you marry me?
Mister.
I'm saying, will you have my arwana paisam, please?
I will with
Yes. try it.
pleasure. You want to tell me first a little bit about
First you eat it and then you ask me, what is this?
it? What is this amazing thing, Manoj?
I love you too. I love you too.
I love you
This is
more
the
for feeding me
magical
this.
arwana paisam. Arwana paisam is made from rice and jaggery and ghee. Just 3 ingredients and nothing
Can't
else.
stop
Really.
eating it.
It's absolutely brilliant. This is actually served as a prasadam in the Ayyappa temple,
Oh, really?
Shabrimala. So over there you get it. We now recreated that here on Nair.
Oh my god, this is so good. Please have some.
No, you carry on.
It's okay, I'm still married to you.
I have nothing more to say now. I am so happy, so content. And Sarah, thank you so much for hosting us with this fabulous food. And please don't forget to order from Nair on Fire. They are fabulous. And if you love this video and this experience, don't forget to like, share and subscribe 2 times now, Foodie. Until next time, you want to blow them a kiss together? See you. Take care.